Okay. Hi everyone, it's Nicole from My Christmas. We're working on Saturday morning because the store opens in 3 weeks. I've got Kate behind the camera for me today, and I thought while I was decorating one of our trees, I'd quickly show you how we make a cheats bow, because I'm not very good at making bows, so I thought it was a good opportunity. We've got 3 really lovely ribbons that are coming in our, this is our Deco Glamour range, which is red, gold and black and white. So I wanted to get all 3 ribbons together and add a pop of colour to the tree. So I've cut pieces about 90 centimetres long because I know my ribbon roll is 9 metres, so I can therefore get 10 bows out of a roll. Just going to fold it in half, and then I just want to sort of pinch it. See, I'm just going to make like a bow that's about half the size. So all I'm going to do is pinch it in here with my 3 ribbons, get a pipe cleaner, tie it tightly, always try and tie it as tightly as you can and twist the back. Excuse me. And then I just have to, if you can see this, Kate, while I'm working this way, I'm just going to turn the ribbons around so we've got both lots of tails in the front here. So effectively we're making like a half bow with the tails coming down here. And then once we've got to this point, all we need to do is trim the tails. That's really poorly done. If you want to take more care than me, you can do them individually, but I find it's just as easy to group them together. I'll say that in on video and it's not working. All right, I'm just going to cut it this way. Okay, so you can see that we've now got the 3 colours that we want in there. That's going to sit like that on our tree. Now Kate's going to take the camera over and show you that the tree that we've got. Now you can't actually look at what I'm wearing. I'm going to come into shot, but I'm in my tracksuit. So what we do is you can see we create a diamond pattern with a big repeating piece, and this is going to be the foundation for our tree. So we've got the colours in there. You can see if you just pan to the right there, Kate, you can see some of the decorations that are going to be on that tree. So all of the golds, the reds, the black and white. So I hope you found that useful. See you soon. Bye.